Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video is about me going into the two different pawn shops in Lanette, Alabama. You're going to be surprised how many knives this one pawn shop had, what kind of knives I was buying, and the prices I was giving for them. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. Guys, we're at Pawn City in Lanette, Alabama. We're going to go in there and see what kind of knives they got, if they got any at all. Look at here, look at here. That's a nice knife right there. Yeah, they got some good knives. Man, look at that. It's a good price on that book. Yeah, but that Gerber's USA. I'm gonna check it out. Yes, ma'am. I'd like to see some knives, please. Are y'all firm or y'all?
Most of the prices are negotiable.
Ma'am?
Most of them are negotiable.
Okay, great. You got some more knives over here?
We have a few, yes.
Oh, wow.
These are gonna be more of like our kind of no name.
Yeah. I like no name. Sometimes you find a good name. Let me see that red one right there. See if there's a... And that one right there. That one right there. That looks like a Zippo. It is a Zippo. How much y'all? I'll take that one. How much y'all got on that one? See what's the best y'all can do on these. Let's see. Gerber right there. I want that one too. Look at that. They got some good prices on knives, y'all. Another Zippo, I bet you. Another Zippo. That looks like another little Gerber.
I can do $5 a piece.
Okay. How about that one right here? That one. And then there's another silver one. I'm going to see if that's a Zippo right there. Another Zippo.
This black one.
Yeah. Now this one's got 25 on that one. Let's see that one. Let's see that one.
Those are the two. Hey Joe, why do anybody on this one?
This is shot. Oh, you Portland?
Okay. I can do 10 on this one.
What about that one? I'll take that one.
I can do 10 on this one.
Alright. What about that one? 5. Alright, I'll take all those. This is awesome, y'all. You never know what you find in pawn shops. Y'all got abundance of knives.
Yeah, we do. Tons of them. Do you like the Zippo lighters?
I do, yes ma'am. What y'all do on that Zippo?
5.
Okay. Alright, I think that's it in this case. Wait a minute. What about that one? It looks like a Gerber up there in that corner.
It is.
Do $5 on this one? Awesome. Oh man, that one. That there. I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Did you want this one?
I'm thinking about that. What's the best y'all can do on
it? 10.
All right, I'll take that one for 10. What's the best you can do on that one?
We can do 10 on it.
All right, let's do that one. Is it, say 20 on that one, and 30 on that one.
Yes, sir.
20 would be 50. We wouldn't do 40, would we, John? Too?
Could we do 40 on the silver and the Swiss Army knife? Do 20 of these.
Couldn't quite do that. It would.
I'll have 20 and 30.
You said 25 on this one?
Oh, yeah. How much they want for that one? Nice little knife.
That's a nice little knife. Did y'all take 10 for it?
Take those. That's a good price. It does have a broke blade, but it's a little punch blade. I doubt if I ever use a punch blade, but that's a good one. Up to for $10. What y'all think? Should I get it? A Leatherman right there. It's a nice one. If I didn't have so many of these, I'd buy them. And pass on those. Look at that. You get those knives off? It's nice. Yeah, I'll clean it up for you. Let's see them. Oh yeah, beautiful. There's one more knife. I'm gonna pass on those, but there is another one. That looks like a Gerber right there. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it's USA made. It's China made. It's a nice knife though.
Tongue tied.
A Leatherman, yes ma'am. 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. Y'all probably couldn't come down much on that one. I'm gonna look back over here in your other case real quick and see if there's any I missed. Yeah, let me, there's this two right here that I wanna see. See what they are. Oh. Can y'all do 10 on this one? Put that one back up.
I could probably do 20 on that one.
20. That'd be another trip knife. I'm gonna come back and see y'all here in about a month or so. I usually go up that Roos flea market and look for knives, but y'all have a better selection. $132 for all this. I think I got a good deal, especially with that one. $5 for a Zippo. Look at there. USS Coral Sea. Ain't that cool? $5 for this. It's got a little age on it too. Probably 80s. I struck out at Ruth's Flea Market, but Pond City did not disappoint. That's what I'm saying. You never know what you find in a pawn shop. Never know. I'm in Lanette, Alabama. First time I visited here. We was on the way back to Columbus, and we just looked up a couple of pawn shops here in Lanette, and lo and behold, there was two. We fixed to go to that other one too to see what they had. Again, guys, we are in Lanette, Alabama. We're at Alfred's Pawn Shop right now. We're gonna go in there and see if they have any knives here. Hey, buddy. Let's see if y'all have any knives or anything.
What we got in this case.
Okay, awesome. Oh.
A couple hanging on the wall over there too. Just
Okay.
hello. Use ones are right in there.
Victoria knife. Wow. U.S. Navy. Two Zippos. Can I see the Victoria Knox? The multi-tool, please? Never seen one of those.
Yeah, they're pretty high dollar. That thing's well over $100 for a new one.
What's the best you do on
I'll do 60 off the boat, huh?
60 out before. Yeah, that's awesome. Say it's 65 out the door with the
60.
cash.
60 bucks.
Okay. Let me think on that one. Just leave it out real quick. I'm gonna look at your other stuff. Now, would you do, if I buy that Navy Zippo and this, would you do 70 out the door?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. All right, let me think on it. think I'm gonna. All right, let's do it. We'll get that Zippo there and that for 70. Victoria Knox multi-tool, Austin.
This Winchester's any idea?
No. Feel how heavy that is. It's a Victoria Knox multi-tool. We thank you, sir. Yes, sir. It looks like to be 25.
I'll do 20 on it. I got 25 on it.
You want it on?
I would give it away, but can't do that.
Take a look at it.
Yeah, I'll do 20 since it's not in the box. I mean 15, that's what you're offering. I'll take 15 for it since it's not in the box.
That's a good box. Let me see how old it is. Oh, it ain't a Zippo. That ain't one of a Zippo.
Yeah, and I think it's got a broke tip.
Oh, it does?
That's the reason it's as cheap as it is.
Oh, wow. 35. Little broke tip. Yeah, it don't have a sheath either, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I guess
I'll be back through here in about a month, and I'll check on that. Well, we thank you, buddy.
Thank you, yeah.
Guys, we're just gonna stop in and get us a little lunch at Cracker Barrel, one of my favorite spots to eat in the United States of America. Can't beat Cracker Barrel's breakfast. Nice.
And I'm about to pop it again.
Love it. Cracker Barrel. We ate like kings, only $35. All three of us. Again, guys, the pawn shops do not disappoint. So I'm gonna be going over all these knives that I found in another video, because once again, the video would be way too long. It'll be about 20 to 25 minutes long if I do the hunt and go over the knives. So we're gonna keep it simple and short. But thank y'all for tuning in. I want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.